Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system and starting enrollment. First, make sure Windows Hello is available for your HP model and that you are signed in as an administrator. Once done, plug the laptop into power and connect to the internet so updates won't interrupt enrollment. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign In Options. Locate the Fingerprint or Windows Hello Fingerprint option and click Setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin capturing your fingerprint data. You now capture high-quality fingerprint samples. Clean the sensor and your finger first. Oil or moisture reduces reliability. When prompted, place the pad of your chosen finger on the sensor, then lift and reposition slightly between scans so the system records different contact points. Make sure to enroll at least one secondary finger as a backup and repeat until the progress indicator reaches completion. This variety improves recognition and reduces false rejects, so take a little time to do it right. You finish by validating and troubleshooting the setup. Test the fingerprint sign-in by locking the screen and unlocking with your enrolled finger. This confirms the system uses the saved template. If scans fail, check Device Manager for the fingerprint driver and update or reinstall it. Make sure Windows updates are applied, because driver fixes often arrive that way. If problems persist, remove the enrolled prints and re-enroll. And as a last resort, reboot or contact HP support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.